Today we're diving into an exciting development in the tech world, Accenture's expanded partnership with NVIDIA to launch the Accenture NVIDIA Business Group. This initiative is designed to propel enterprises into the AI era by enhancing their adoption of cutting-edge technologies aimed at training over 30,000 professionals globally. The new group will focus on generative and agentic AI systems, helping businesses reinvent their processes and implement AI agents effectively. Accenture's AI Refinery platform will be central to this effort, leveraging the entire NVIDIA AI stack, including AI Foundry, AI Enterprise, and Omniverse, to support advancements in AI-powered simulations and sovereign AI applications. This platform will be accessible on all public and private cloud environments, seamlessly integrating with other Accenture business groups to enhance the SaaS and cloud AI ecosystem. Julie Sweet, Accenture's chair and CEO, highlighted the transformative potential of this partnership, stating they're paving new paths for clients to harness generative AI as a catalyst for innovation. Jensen Huang, NVIDIA's founder and CEO, echoed this by emphasizing how AI can accelerate innovation and productivity for enterprises. One key project involves the Indosat Group, which is developing Indonesia's first sovereign AI to ensure secure data governance. Accenture is also introducing the NVIDIA NIM Agent Blueprint for virtual facility robot fleet simulation, enabling companies to create autonomous, software-defined factories. To support these initiatives, Accenture is establishing AI refinery engineering hubs across Europe, Asia, and North America, complementing existing hubs in Mountain View and Bangalore. These hubs will address critical challenges like accuracy and compliance, ensuring effective AI deployment. Additionally, Accenture plans to integrate the AI Refinery platform with autonomous agents in its marketing function to streamline processes and reduce manual steps significantly. And that's a wrap on today's update. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.